Here we go.
Is this video?
Yeah.
Oh, so we're recording each other.
Yeah.
Let's keep going. How long are these screws?
They're pretty short.
You can see how short my attention span of the order that I go. We almost hit it. Keep going.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, all right. It's not gonna spring at me? Alright. Alright. We are on our way. Oh, it's coming up right here. I almost got your pinky.
Nice. Need another big pry bar
On the
to
other
go
side.
at the same time. Oh, there you go.
It was like detonating the bomb.
Yeah.
You need 2 keys.
Yeah.
So this is all one piece.
And make sure there's nothing that's about to pop out of there.
What would
Sometimes-
be there to pop out?
Sometimes it's
Like a
really
seal?
difficult, like a little part that's stuck only by oil tension.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, so like on here. Yeah,
If there's like a flat washer.
I think there is. Where's that yellow screwdriver?
Yeah, you're right. Okay, just leave it on there, or
No. There you go. And also make sure the orientation that is.
stays like that.
Yeah, so some parts are not the same on both sides. Is there anything else? No, that's
Looks
it.
good. So I'm gonna face everything downwards.
Yeah,
Like this.
yeah.
Another washer.
Yep, but it's not just a washer.
Oh, it's a Belleville. It's
Yeah.
called spring
Yeah.
loaded. Oh, I see why. So it's done like this.
Yeah.
So everything I'm just gonna pick up and drop in like that.
No.
No, you want it opposite way?
Yeah. So
You want it upside down?
like you
Like
pulled it out and then you're setting it down.
Yeah, I pulled it out like this.
Yeah. So you're
I'm
gonna.
gonna set it down like this.
No.
Like this.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Upside down.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one. Oh, I got you.
The next thing, same. So this one's also different. This one has holes on the other side of it.
It's a gasket.
No,
No.
it's an oiling ring.
Oh. So oil gets in there and then it. Oop, nothing.
So now next is this.
Oh. Where do you learn all this? You just taking things apart?
I take a lot of things apart.
That's another one, huh? That's a fatty washer. These are the clutch.
No, this is the dog ear. This is not the clutch yet.
Are they like magnetic?
No.
I said it like this.
It's dangerous.
That may have been a mistake, huh?
Dangerous. So see how like that side, one side shiny, one
Yeah.
side's not? That the shiny side is touching the friction side. This is a clutch.
This is the clutch plate.
Yeah.
So these are just spacers in between each one.
They're almost like a flywheel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So one trick is you can lift this up,
Oh,
and then you can grab the next piece.
okay. Okay.
So is it? You already got. Oh yeah, this one rides on this.
So there's another one. Oh, okay.
There's more. Yeah. So
On the other side.
grab this bigger piece. Yeah. There you go.
All right. So this is the back side.
Yeah. Then these are the spider gears. So this is really important to check that they're not broken or chipped.
Mm-hmm.
They look okay. So this was like this.
Mm-hmm. And the axle mounts to this.
Yeah.
And what's on this side?
The clutch
clutch.
has this pattern in it.
Okay. So when it contacts, when those pressure plates connect with the clutch, it spins the clutch pad, and then it spins.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
To flip that guy over.
All right, learning a lot here.
And now look at how the shaft is. So look at the.
It's keyed.
It's keyed, but see how this is like that?
Uh huh.
Yeah. Just like
So
take note.
just take note that this is sitting on top.
Yeah.
And that one's on the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, so this way I'm gonna put upside down. And then you're just inspecting these, to make sure that the teeth are okay.
Yeah.
This one's facing upwards. I see it. So this is the part that's probably stuck. If I can potentially remove this, feels loose.
You see what? Yeah.
Can I pound that out?
Let's see if we can take anything else apart before we.
There's this piece right here.
Yeah, can that come out?
That's your piece right there.
Mm-hmm.
This looks okay.
Nice.
And it broke at like the weakest point where there's
Mhm.
like the most shear.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. I wonder if we're able to pound that out or use a press, push it out. you
Yeah,
think?
maybe use a press.
Nice.
Yeah.
keep going?
Yes, sir. What else do you see?
I see this piece right here.
Uh-huh. There you go.
Make sure nothing else is attached to it. So this is keyed. Oh,
Yeah.
there's something on the bottom of it.
Yeah, see? It's very...
So make sure that that goes. That's the other side of that.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. I feel like after we do this, I'll be able to rebuild differentials.
Yeah.
Services provided by Brian. It may not work after, but you know. Large flat washer.
Another oiling disc.
Careful, pull back a little.
And see how it's keyed?
Yeah. It's keyed into
Here.
that little slot there.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I see. Only one of them has a slot.
Mm-hmm.
That one looks like it. What's wrong with this side on this